The most fertile soil in the world is generally considered to be a combination of various soil types that are rich in organic matter, minerals and nutrients, providing an ideal environment for plant growth. Several regions are renowned for their exceptionally fertile soil, including 1. Chernozem soils in Eastern Europe. These black soils are rich in humus and nutrients, making them highly productive for agriculture. They are particularly prevalent in the Ukrainian and Russian steppe regions. 2. Mollisols in North America. Found in the American Midwest, these deep, dark soils are rich in organic matter and minerals, making them well suited for agriculture. They support the growth of various crops such as corn, wheat and soybeans. 3. Vertisols in India. These clay-rich soils are known for their high fertility and moisture-retaining capacity. They are prevalent in the Deccan Plateau and support the cultivation of various crops, including cotton and cereals. 4. Andols in Japan. These volcanic soils are rich in minerals and organic matter, making them highly fertile. They are found in regions with volcanic activity and are known for their ability to support diverse agriculture, including rice cultivation. While these soils are considered among the most fertile in the world, factors such as climate, topography, and human intervention also play significant roles in determining the productivity of the soil in specific regions. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.